Making a video here. My truck's not running properly. Got some backfire or something. Trying to start it up. Come on to the back here. Kind of putting. Here, better from under here. Exhaust is kind of rocking back and forth, and it's kind of putting and putting. Rough out a little bit. Engine's kind of coil wires aren't the same. I don't know if that's a problem. The spark plug wires. I got this here hanging off here. Right here, I was told to block it off. I don't know what it's for, but thanks for the AC. I don't know what the problem is. No one can help me out. I was told I can clean this probably up and maybe help it out. I'm not sure yet, but. It comes down from the, you kind of hear like a blowing noise. I don't know if there's a vacuum leak or not, but it's still making that putty. I don't know if the muffler's blocked up, but you can hear that. The oil pressure is kind of low. I don't know, it might be the gauge, so I'm not really worrying about it. The truck feels like it's going to stall. I don't know. Anyways, if anyone has any advice, please do.